Today we shall discuss the cell wall. Cell wall in plant cell around the cell or plasma membrane this is the plasma membrane, and around that plasma membrane another covering called cell wall is found. It is only found in the plant cell, not in animal cell. Plant cell, cell wall is composed of cellulose and hemicellulose. They are the carbohydrates and polysaccharides, and that is non-living. So the cell wall is composed of a non-living materials, that is called cellulose. Understand? Cellulose is a carbohydrates. Understand? In between the cell wall of two cells there is also a membrane called middle lamella. Here you see middle lamella. This is the cell wall of one cell, and this is the other. In between this there is a lining called middle lamella, and that is outer one is plasma membrane. So behind the plasma membrane, around the plasma lemma, the cell wall is found. Second, in the cell wall pores are found called plasmodesmata. These are plasmodesmata which interconnects the adjacent cell, that is interconnects the adjacent cell through which the materials goes in and out. Because it is made up of composed, so it is cell wall is rigid strengthens and gives shape to the cell. Okay? So because it is a strength, and so and it is a strength means it is a strong and gives shape to the cells. In this way, the cell wall is found only in the plant cell, not in animal cell, and it is a fundamental difference between the plant cell and animal cell. And also plant and animals were first divided into plantae and animalia by the presence of cell wall. So cell wall is one of the main constituents of the main parts of the plant cell. Now the function of the cell wall. First one, it provide the definite shape of the cell, because it is non-living in nature, so it gives a definite shape to the plant cell. Second, it provides the strength to the cell. It also provides the strength to the cell due to made up of cellulose. So its non-living nature gives him supportness. It is permeable due to pores. Next one, it has capacity to repair and regenerate. So that it has capacity to such repair. One thing one thing you should know, that you already know that the cell was first discovered by Robert Hooke, understand? And he discovered it from the cork cell. When he cut it, several compartments are found. He named them cellula. That compartment was actually, and cork is a dead cell, so the outline which he found, that was actually cell wall. So we can say that cell wall is also discovered by the Robert Hooke. Now the next topic is nucleus. Nucleus is the controlling center of all activities of a cell. So it is called headquarter or brain of the cell, because it controls all the activities. So it is called the brain of the cell. It was discovered by Robert Brown in 1831. It was discovered by in the eukaryotes. Nucleus is well developed due to presence of this nuclear membrane, and in the prokaryotes, nucleus is ill developed, means so it is known as incipient nucleus, and in the eukaryotes it is true nucleus due to presence of that nuclear membrane which you see here. This is the so the presence of this boundary, this membrane structure, it is well developed, and in absence it is ill developed, and which is found in the prokaryotes. So we can say that nucleus is one of the main parts of the cell. Nucleus has double layer membrane called nuclear membrane or nuclear theca. It is known as, this is the membrane which is called membrane or nuclear theca. Second, in the membrane there are pores which is called nuclear pore. That's and its thickness, its diameter is about 20 angstrom. It provides the passage for interconnecting the liqueous nature of the nucleus, that is nucleoplasm and the cytoplasm, which is found in the cell. So it the both nucleoplasm and cytoplasm are connected by means of this nuclear pore. And nuclear pore provides the passage for movement of materials from the nucleoplasm to cytoplasm, and vice versa, means from both sides the movement of particles takes place. Nucleus contains the following parts. First one is nuclear membrane. Second one is the liquid material which is found in the nucleus is called nucleoplasm. Means the liquid material which is found in the cell is called cytoplasm. Similarly, the liquid material which is found in the nucleus is known as nucleoplasm. Third one is chromatin reticulum, and this is thread-like structure. You see, this is called chromatin reticulum. And finally, the nucleus. So these are the structures which found in the nucleus. That is, one is nuclear membrane or nuclear theca, nucleoplasm, chromatin reticulum, that is a thread-like structures, and the round ball-like structure in the nucleus, that is known as nucleolus. Understand? Second, chromatin reticulum is thread-like structure present in the form of net. Reticulum means net. In the form of net it is found. It contain DNA, means deoxyribonucleic acid. It contain DNA, which is genetic materials. Genetic materials means it transmits the characters from parents to offspring. So that is found in the chromatin reticulum. And finally, in the center there is presence a round structure, that is nucleolus, which has its part in the cell division. So parts of the nucleolus function is found in the cell division. In the figure you see the endoplasmic reticulum. It is not part of nucleus, but it attaches to the nucleus. About the endoplasmic reticulum we shall discuss in the next video. Now the function of nucleus. It is the headquarter, so it controls all the metabolic activities which are found in the cell. Second, means all the metabolic activities is controlled by the nucleus. Second, due to presence of DNA, it transmits the hereditary characters from parents to offspring, means all the characters which transmit from one generation to other generation, that is through DNA. So DNA is called genetic material. And second, and it is found in the chromatin reticulum, and that is found in the nucleus. So we can say that nucleus transmits the genetic characters from one generation to other generation. One is here DNA means deoxyribonucleic acid, deoxy, and it is a genetic material. We shall study about it in the later videos.